What's up, guys? Okay, so summer's coming. Most people want to get in some pretty solid shape for summer, look good, feel comfortable, whatever your drive is to want to do it. I just got permission to start stationary biking and stretching my leg and trying to get a tiny bit of cardio in, so I figured perfect time to make this video. I'm gonna show you the way that I like to lean out and the stuff that I do to get lean. I'm gonna show you my physique right now and the results over the next 3 months and what will happen if you incorporate these things into what you're doing. So this is what my physique looks like. So here we go. This is where my body is at right now. Leg, good leg anyways. Haven't touched them in, I don't know, 7 months besides some small closed kinetic movements pre-surgery. Arms, obviously, they're your lowest body fat always. They always will be. Back stayed pretty lean. But my stomach is fat. And then I got some fat in my chest too, but that'll all come off from the cardio. Arms permanently stay rather lean. It's just how the body works. But, all right, so this is where I'm at right now. I'll do my measurements tonight and see what I'm at so you guys can see. I'm gonna guess I'm around like 18% body fat. It's the fattest I've been in 3 years or so. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so some people would consider that lean. Some people would consider that fluffy. I consider that fluffy. I'm used to being leaner, at least the past 2 years I have been. So I'm macro count, which I suggest anybody get into. It becomes a little bit obsessive, but it's you get to control the results that you're getting and everything that you're doing. So that's what I would recommend for sure. But if there's just 3 simple things that you want to change to get yourself into better shape for summer so that you can feel comfortable in your body or like change your physique the way that you want to change it, these are the 3 things that I would recommend. So number 1, if you're not working out, get on a workout program. Doesn't have to be insane, doesn't have to be intense, but you have to build muscle to see muscle. Some people are genetically blessed, but most people need to build muscle to be able to even get lean to see that. Number 2, cut out everything that you were drinking in the day besides water. Maybe a coffee and 0 everything drinks, like 0 everything monsters. I drink all the time, but a can of Coke, a small can of Coke, 12-ounce can of Coke, has like 79 grams of sugar in it. Drink 4 of those a day, man, that's a lot of sugar. So if you're cutting out those carbs, that's gonna be crucial. You're gonna lose weight just from changing your drinking diet. Number 3, 100% cardio. Everybody asks, do you have to do cardio to be lean? Do you have to do cardio to be lean? Yes, you do. Even if you're macro counting, you still have to do cardio. You burn 200 to 500 calories a day, every single day. No matter what you're doing, you're gonna lean out for summer. Your body's gonna get better. You're gonna lose body fat. You're gonna lose a little bit of muscle, but you're gonna lose body fat, which is what everybody wants to do. At least everybody who's gonna watch this is probably what they want to do. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep track of my body over the next 3 months and show you guys what happens when you actually incorporate these so people see that it's not just like something that people say. Like, these are things that are simple, you follow them every day, and you get the results that they give you. It's just how it goes. Appreciate you guys for watching. You guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will answer everything. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, get looking good for summer. Have a good day.